I hear that train a-comin'. It's coming round the bend. I ain't seen the sunshine since I don't know when, but I'm stuck in Folsom Prison, and time keeps dragging on. And I hear that train a-rollin' on down to San Antone. When I was just a baby, my mama told me, son, always be a good boy, don't ever play with guns. But I shot a man in Reno just to watch him die. Yeah, it was such an awful feeling. Now I hang my head and cry. Well, I bet rich folks are eating in a fancy dining car. I bet they're drinking whiskey and smoking big cigars. But I know I had it coming. You know I can't be free. And them people keep on moving, and that's what tortures me. Now if they freed me from that prison, if that railroad train was mine, I'd move them tracks on over a little farther down the line, away from Folsom Prison. That's where I want to stay. And I'll let that lonesome whistle blow my blues away. Yeah, I'll let that lonesome whistle blow my blues away. There you go.